Struggling to grow your upper chest after 40? You're not alone, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. You've been hitting the bench press for years, but that top shelf of your pecs just refuses to pop. The truth is, the game changes after 40. What worked in your 20s isn't going to cut it anymore. Simply pushing more weight on the flat bench is a dead-end road that leads to injury, not growth. But here's the good news. With a few key adjustments, you can start building that impressive upper chest you've always wanted, regardless of your age. In this video, I'm breaking down the 3 biggest mistakes killing your upper chest gains, and how to fix them. The number 1 reason your upper chest isn't growing, it's not your genetics, your workout split, or even the number of sets you're doing. It all comes down to your incline bench press form, a detail most people overlook, but it makes all the difference. Your incline form is all wrong. Even if you're putting in the effort, the wrong setup can sabotage your progress and leave your upper chest lagging behind. Most guys set the bench too high, 45 degrees or more, turning what should be a chest exercise into a shoulder-dominant movement. This mistake shifts the focus away from your pecs and puts unnecessary strain on your shoulders, increasing your risk of injury. Instead, lower the bench to 15 to 30 degrees. That's the sweet spot for upper chest activation. At this angle, you'll maximize muscle fiber recruitment in your upper pecs while minimizing shoulder involvement. Use a grip just wider than shoulder width, and keep your elbows tucked, not flared, to protect your shoulders and target the pecs. This small adjustment helps you press more efficiently and safely. Control the weight on the way down, pause just above your chest, and focus on squeezing your pecs as you press up. Don't rush the movement. Feel every inch of the rep. Don't chase heavy weights with sloppy reps. Drop the ego and prioritize perfect form. Remember, quality always beats quantity when it comes to muscle growth. On an incline, the bar path should move slightly back over your shoulders at the top, not just straight up. This keeps tension on your upper chest and prevents your shoulders from taking over. Think about driving your biceps together at the top for maximum chest contraction. Visualize your pecs working with every rep. Mind-muscle connection is key. Make every rep count. Focus on the muscle you want to grow, and you'll see better results. Recap: lower your bench angle, use a proper grip, control the range of motion, and squeeze at the top. These details separate average results from real progress. Fix your form, and you've already won half the battle for a bigger, stronger upper chest. Consistency with these tweaks will pay off over time. Don't let poor technique hold you back. Every rep is a chance to improve, so make it count. Now let's move on to what's happening inside your body when you finally get your incline form right. After 40, your body's recovery and hormone profile change, and so should your approach. The strategies that worked in your 20s and 30s may not deliver the same results now. It's time to adapt and work with your body, not against it. Lower testosterone and slower recovery mean you can't train like you did in your 20s. Pushing too hard without proper rest can actually set you back, increasing your risk of injury and burnout. Prioritize sleep, 7 to 9 hours a night, to maximize growth hormone and muscle repair. Quality sleep is your body's most powerful recovery tool, helping you bounce back stronger after every session. Nutrition matters. Aim for 1 gram of protein per pound of target body weight. And don't fear carbs. They fuel your workouts and recovery. Include healthy fats and plenty of colorful vegetables to support hormone balance and overall health. Manage stress. High cortisol breaks down muscle and kills gains. Find ways to relax and recharge, like meditation, deep breathing, or simply spending time outdoors. Overtraining is a real risk. More isn't better. Quality beats quantity every time. Listen to your body and don't ignore signs of fatigue or persistent soreness. If you're doing everything right and still not progressing, get your hormone levels checked by a professional. Sometimes underlying issues need medical attention or a tailored plan. Treat recovery with the same intensity as your workouts. Use tools like foam rolling, stretching, and massage to speed up healing and keep your body moving well. Sleep, eat, manage stress, and train smart. These pillars work together to help you perform and feel your best every day. Your results depend on it. Consistency and smart choices now will pay off for years to come. Don't ignore what's happening inside your body. Pay attention to the signals and make adjustments as needed. Now, let's talk about exercise selection. Choosing the right movements is crucial for progress and injury prevention. This is where most guys really miss the mark. Let's make sure you're not one of them. Most chest routines ignore the upper chest entirely, and that's a big mistake if you want a balanced, powerful look. Many people focus on the same old exercises but wonder why their upper chest lags behind. Flat bench presses dominate most workouts, but they mostly hit the middle chest, leaving the upper portion underdeveloped. If you're only doing flat bench, you're missing out on serious gains. To build that top shelf, start your workout with incline presses, barbell, dumbbell, or machine when you're fresh and strongest. Prioritizing incline movements early ensures you're hitting the upper chest with maximum intensity. Dumbbells allow a greater range of motion and a stronger squeeze at the top, letting you really feel the upper chest working. Focus on controlling the weight and squeezing at the peak of every rep. Turn your pinkies in slightly for extra contraction. This small adjustment can make a big difference in muscle activation and growth. Add incline flies with light weights for a deep stretch and focused isolation. These help target the upper chest fibers that pressing alone can miss. Use cables for low to high flies to keep constant tension on the upper chest. Cables are great for maintaining resistance throughout the entire movement. Try a reverse grip incline press for a unique upper chest stimulus. This variation shifts the emphasis and can spark new growth if you've hit a plateau. Your new routine: heavy incline press, moderate incline fly, high rep cable fly, and occasionally reverse grip incline press. Rotate these exercises to keep your muscles guessing and growing. Attack the upper chest first from multiple angles and force those stubborn fibers to grow. Consistency and intensity are key. Don't leave your upper chest as an afterthought. Skipping incline work is the fastest way to stall your progress. Make it the priority every chest day. Write it down, plan for it, and stick to it. Variety and focus are your new best friends. Mix up your exercises, rep ranges, and equipment to keep making progress. Let's wrap it up with your blueprint for success. Prioritize, isolate, and attack the upper chest every session, and you'll finally see the results you've been chasing. There you have it, the blueprint to finally build your upper chest after 40. Fix your incline form, master your recovery, and prioritize upper chest exercises. Stop relying on the flat bench. Strategy beats age every time. Apply these principles, stay consistent, and you'll see real results. Building muscle after 40 is possible if you train smart and recover smarter. Want a bigger upper chest? Start today. Like and subscribe for more.